Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Welcome back to CAD Design. Today we solve a truss numerical by using SolidWorks. Trusses are basically designed to support an axial load. We are interested to find a forces in each and every member of the truss. Let us take a numerical problem. Determine the force in each member of the loaded truss. The horizontal length of the beam is 5 meter and the vertical length of each beam is 4 meter. Let's start. Select front plane, create sketch and select a line and draw a frame of truss. Select all 4 horizontal lines and make relation equal. Select smart dimensions and the vertical dimension is 4000 mm and horizontal one is 5000 mm. Exit from the sketch, go to weldments and select structural member. Select standard ISO, type rectangular tube and size is 120 by 80 by 8 and select a groups. And angle is 90 degree. Rename the beams just to match with the notation or names mentioned in the problem. Just like this member is AB, this one is BC. This is basically to distinguish between the forces in different members of the truss. Go to SolidWorks add-in and select SolidWorks simulation. Select new study and select static. Apply material to whole truss and material is alloy steel. Now apply the fixtures. This joint is basically a pin joint, so we use a fixed geometry. Go to symbol settings and increase up to 200. This joint is basically a roller joint that allows a translation in one direction. In our case it allows translation in X direction but restricts translation in Y and Z direction. Select use reference geometry. Select this joint and choose front plane as the reference plane. and increase symbol up to 200. Now apply the external load. Select joint, select this joint and this joint, use front plane as a reference plane, and apply a load of 30 kilonewton and reverse direction. Now apply a 60 kilonewton load. Select this joint, select front plane as a reference plane and select direction reverse and 60 kilonewton. Now run this study. Right click on the result and select list beam forces. We have only concern with extreme values, so check the box of extreme values and save the result. This result gonna save as an Excel file. I have already saved this file and converted into PDF. These results shows the forces in different members. We have to concern only with axial force. So the beam CG have 59 kilonewton force, and compare these results with your theoretical calculation. There might be some little bit difference in theoretical and computational calculation. These are the results from theoretical calculations and these results from computational calculation. So compare these results and